Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to remove preview code from Bigcommerce stores. Preview codes are often used for testing or design changes, but when we're ready to go live, it's important to remove them so the site runs smoothly and looks professional. Let's get started. On the Bigcommerce dashboard, let's use this storefront view as an example. If there's a preview code after Use Site, like this one, we can see it. This store is using the desktop preview theme, and we want to remove it. It's quick and simple. Go to the marketing section. Let's look for the script codes. We think they're in the storefront. Let's go to storefront. Once we're in the storefront, select Script Manager. If you see an installed script here, like for Teams, click the three dots. This will remove the preview theme codes from the website. The site will look cleaner and more professional. Once we remove the scripts from the installed scripts section, the preview code will be gone from the website. That's how we remove preview code in Bigcommerce, keeping stores clean from temporary or test codes. This helps create a seamless shopping experience for customers,